exact site where this so-called terrorist was hiding. As you are well aware, the weather was pretty inclement and they had to close in with pure caution. The importance of neutralizing killing of Saifullah alias Lambu is twofold. Firstly, it brings closure to Pulwama incident which happened in Feb 2019, because he was one of the mastermind for having trained a local boy, a local youth, Adil, who eventually blew himself up in an ID attack. Ever since, he had been responsible to continue to train people in making of ID and deployment of IDs against the security forces. The second very important facet of this neutralization of Saifullah alias Lambu is that he has been also responsible to recruit young locals by brainwashing them, carrying out identification, selective identification, thereafter radicalizing them and giving them weapons and putting them as face of overall strategy of our inimical agencies which are operating from across. Thus, when these young recruits were taken out, neutralized, it brought a face as if the entire movement is indigenized and a local movement, which is not so. The most heartening part is, in last few days, our mission towards ending the cycle of violence has been seeing some degree of progress and success. We find greater amount of information coming from the locals, from the people who, because of the improved security environment, are stepping forward to identify and bring forth closure to such notorious terrorists so that they can be eliminated. For the brief about this terrorist and the intelligence part, I request Mr. Vijay, IGP Kashmir, to give the entire information about this terrorist.
जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि जो लंबू जो है, जिसको अदनान भी बोलते हैं, सैफुल्लाह बोलते हैं, क्या काफ़ी समय से एक्टिव रहा है, बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट में इन्वॉल्व रहा है। मैं इसका हिस्ट्री बताना चाहूँगा कि जनवरी 2017 में यह सकरगा सेक्टर से कश्मीर वैली में इन्फिल्ट्रेट किया था और तब से यह साउथ कश्मीर में काफ़ी एक्टिव रहा। बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट में इन्वॉल्व रहा है। अभी तक इसके खिलाफ 14 एफआईआर केस दर्ज है। और सबसे बड़ा अटैक जो पुलवामा का अटैक है 14 फरवरी 2019 में हुआ था, ये उसमें से एक एक्यूज है, मेन एक्यूज बेसिकली है। पुलवामा अटैक में टोटल 19 एक्यूज है, जिसमें से 7 टेररिस्ट अभी तक मारे जा चुके हैं। सैफुल्लाह, अदनान या छोटू जो लंबू जो है आज मारा गया है, वो 7वां टेररिस्ट है। इसके अलावा 7 टेररिस्ट को हम लोग अरेस्ट किए हैं और 5 टेररिस्ट अभी भी एब्सकॉन्ड किया हुआ है, जिसको या तो इनकाउंटर में हम लोग न्यूट्रलाइज करेंगे या अरेस्ट कर लेंगे। एनआईए ने चार्जशीट फाइल किया था, उसमें लंबू को भी नाम है। एज ए आईडी एक्सपर्ट ये हम लोग के लिए बहुत थ्रेट रहा है। लास्ट ईयर पुलवामा में हम लोग एक कार को डिटेक्ट किए जो आईडी लेडन कार था, जिसको बाद में हम लोग डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिए। उसमें फौजी भाई अब्दुल रहमान और लंबू दोनों का हाथ था, दोनों आईडी एक्सपर्ट था। रिसेंटली एक इंसिडेंट हुआ है लास्ट मंथ, जिसमें हमारे एक एसपीओ फयाज को मारा और उसके वाइफ को, उसके बेटी को 27 जनवरी को। उसमें लंबू का, मैंने उसी टाइम वहाँ जब मौके से कहा था जैस का हाथ है, लंबू के इशारे पर इसको मारा गया था। इसमें मैन एक्यूज रहा है और इसके मारे जाने से साउथ कश्मीर नहीं बल्कि पूरे कश्मीर में आईडी का जो एक ज़बरदस्त थ्रेट बना रहा है। ये आईडी को ट्रेनिंग भी देता था लड़कों को, टेररिस्ट को। ये न्यूट्रलाइज कम होगा थ्रेट, और इनके जो कुछ साथी बच गए उसको हम लोग बहुत जल्दी न्यूट्रलाइज कर लेंगे। मैं इस ऑपरेशन के लिए आर्मी को, पुलिस को बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। इस ढंग से इंट आता रहे, ऑपरेशन चलता रहे, तो ये समय दूर नहीं है जबकि जैश मोहम्मद का यहाँ से सफाई हो जाएगा।
So, as the co-commander has already told you, and the IGP was also alluding to it, we were getting a lot of intelligence from the JKP as well as from the locals about the movement and the way this gentleman has been ill-treating the locals there, generally in the area of Tral Bol. And for the last 15 days, there were about 3 reports of his sexual misconduct with a few ladies also of that area, generally in the upper reaches of Dachigam forest. And finally, through the human source of the JKP, we were very clear as to where we can localize him. We are also very familiar with his modus operandi because all my boys have been often, facing this character in Pulwama especially. So on the basis of all the background intelligence and the modus operandi of Saifullah, whom generally we call Lambu, we were able to home on to this cluster of Dhok in the higher reaches, and this happened on 27th. As you all are aware, 27th onwards the weather was extremely bad. It has been raining heavily all throughout right till this morning. So the boys deliberately took a very, very circuitous route so that we can totally take a route that can surprise the terrorists. And today morning they had closed on to the area where we were suspecting him to be there. So no sooner have we reached there, the dogs have started barking. I'm sure that these guys would have got alerted. They came out, and before they could come out, they asked the ladies to move out, and thereafter 4 very, very small children. And as soon as these children and ladies have been pushed out, behind them they opened automatic fire. They started lobbing grenades. The idea was that while we will try to save the children and the ladies, they'll try to make good their escape. This has been the modus operandi of Lambu even earlier when we missed him in Parigam. So he did exactly the same thing this time. But since the cordon was very tight and the well-trained and honed-up boys of Victor Force were already there, I would not like to name the units for security reasons. As soon as they have fired, retaliation has been carried out. And I'm very happy to tell you that without even a scratch to any civilian, without any collateral damage to the cattle, both of them were dropped dead within a matter of about 2-3 minutes. Thereafter, the search of the entire area continues as I talk to you. So far, we have recovered M4 with its telescopic sight, which used to be there only with Lambu. That's one giveaway that Lambu is dead. And second, we have also recovered a Glock pistol. For all those who know, Glock is not there with every terrorist here. And we have recovered 1 Chinese pistol and 1 AK-47. So I think for the security forces, JKP, this has been probably the biggest strike of this year, and I'm sure this will continue.
जैसा कि मैंने पहले बोला था कि लेथपोरा इंसिडेंट में 19 टेररिस्ट इन्वॉल्व था, जिसमें 7 को इनकाउंटर में मारा गया. आज 7th है लंबू. 7 टेररिस्ट को हम लोग अरेस्ट कर लिए, 5 अभी और है, जिसमें कि टॉप पर है समी डार. हो सकता है कि इनकाउंटर में मारा गया हो, फोटो आइडेंटिफाई नहीं हो पाया.